my God. I had
Hi guys! Okay! Eto na! We have 2 minutes left. Almost up.
Ready na kami, guys. Are you guys ready?
Hello! Okay. Mag-ingay na kayo. I am so late. Sorry, I am an hour late in uploading it. Sorry na guys. But it's almost ready. Give us 1 minute. Okay. So mag-comment muna kayo. Vixie!
Ano yung eto na lang. Ano yung guesses nyo?
What the story is.
What the story is. What's gonna happen? Bakit ganun yung poster? Bakit may aso at pusa?
Bakit opposites almost attract?
Bakit almost?
That's the question.
At bakit opposites? So, opposites ba tayo?
Oo, kasi you're annoying and I'm not.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. We're gonna end this live.
Okay, so quick background lang. This is really a passion project of mine. I just thought of making a short film, and when I was creating a story, I was thinking of who I wanted to be with. And the first person I had in mind was really AZ. Simply because I really appreciated the time we had inside the house. We got to know each other better, and this story really is based off what we really are in real life. It's still fictional, but at the same time, it has the traits of something that AZ embodies, that I embody as well. And we wanted to put a feel-good story lang, and we had to create it. It was really quick. Honestly, wala masyadong preparation for this. But thank you to AZ because she was so nice to accept the project.
Choice.
And wala din siyang choice.
No,
lang.
hindi ako. Wala siyang choice. Wala siyang makukuha.
Wala di mo makukuha eh. Siya lang naman yung available eh. So sabi ko... Hello? Bye. So sabi ko, AZ, are you game to do a short film? And what did you say, AZ? Sabi ko, ayoko. Magkano muna TF? Sabi niya gano'n.
Hoy, hindi talaga guys. Hoy, scammer. Guys, hindi talaga. Hindi. Oh, sabi nila, ang tagal, Michael. Oh. Pero guys...
Huwag na kayo magalit. Ito
pero
na.
Guys, anyway, si Michael talaga lahat nag-brainstorm ng story na to. He did everything, the drafts and the storyline and all of that. And then producer pa. He's in the next Sager Studios ng tawag. Yay! And guys, of course, na if magugustuhan nyo to, maybe there's more to come.
Yes, kaya please go to my YouTube channel. Subscribe na kayo. Ready na ba kayo? We're processing it now. Malapit na. Go to my YouTube na. We'll all watch it sabay-sabay. That's why I'm so excited.
Yes. Wait.
Sabay-sabay natin itong papanoorin, guys. Sabay-sabay natin itong
Copy link. Repost.
Sana maging house guest kami ni Kuya. Sige, Kuya, ipapromote niyo naman sa akin ang short film ko.
Actually, guys, as in sobrang kudos to Michael. He thought about all of this. Kaya, he's really passionate with his passion project.
Okay! I think it's up na. It's up na.
Wait, guys.
Wait, i-check muna natin.
Let's give it 5 minutes before we watch it. Guys, I haven't seen it. You know, Michael was up until 6 a.m.
Yes.
6 a.m.
Kanina pa ako
fixing
gising.
everything and adjusting stuff. Habang ako mahimbing na yung tulog.
Ito na guys, go on my YouTube channel. It's live.
I haven't... Oh, thank you
Premiere
guys.
will begin shortly.
Yes. I haven't watched it, guys. Kaya, let's watch. Wait, I wanna...
Ayan, may nagko-comment na.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God!
Shucks. We have 2 minutes. There's a 1 minute and 40 countdown.
Michael.
So please go na on my YouTube channel.
Oh. There you go. Oh, there's a timer.
Yeah, 1 minute 24. Oh my God, 31.5k na agad ako sa YouTube.
Where? Subscribers?
Yeah, dati 29 lang to eh. Thank you guys. Ito
Wow!
na. Go on my YouTube account.
Okay, I'm gonna story this. Smile mics. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Okay, sticker. How do you do this, man? Link. There, ayan.
Grabe, ang daming nasa live!
Watch now. Hashtag McZ.
Kakatawa!
Dude, oh my god. What
Oh.
are people saying? Oh.
They're all excited. Let's go. 30 seconds. Shucks, kinakabahan ako.
Guys, you all will love it. Wait, I'll tag you. Ah!
10!
9! Oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Ito na ba? Nakakonect sa speaker?
Ito.
Okay. We're ready. Oh my god. Hindi ka kita. Lapit ka here.
Ah! Shucks! Kinakabahan na ako.
Baka mahulog ah.
Sino yan?
Oh my god. Grabe naman. Sino kausap mo?
Ay, this is delayed. Okay, let's listen to it again. Sino yung naka-headphones?
Sisitigil. Yes? Ay, kasama ka ba?
Oh my god.
Hello? Hi, miss. Look, I don't mean to be disturbing you. It's just want to see the available. So, pwede mag-look.
There's so many comments. Nakakatawa kayo, guys.
Oh my god. Oh!
Hey,
Pretty saying.
I thought I'd offer you something. It's been a good one.
Ang ganda ng color man.
Ang ganda mo dito. Promise, ito na. Ito is my favorite scene of AZ's.
Mitch album? No way. You're reading his book? Look, I swear. Watch, tingnan mo to. Yan ha? Tingnan mo. I'm reading his book too. Okay. I might be geeking out, but look, this is crazy.
Ganyan talaga si Michael in real life,
Who
guys.
would've thought?
The quality is giving. Thank you, guys!
That's my favorite song. As in, LSS na LSS ako ngayon.
Hindi mo na pinapansin sa plano yorn.
Oh, uno ng songs niya. So, naririnig mo pala ako?
Ah! Yes! Boogs! Ang ganda mo!
Talk to strangers.
Well, if that's...
Oh no! Thanks for the gifts!
Thanks for the gifts, guys.
My headphones are black. Reads Mitch album. Has the same favorite song as me. Sketch ng pusa.
Watch na on YouTube. It's on my YouTube channel.
Talk to me vibe. But I'll still talk to her. Because I think we're destiny really.
We're so FC, I love the sound effect.
FC.
Feeling close. Literal na OA. For what? For saying that you're FC?
Okay, look, fine. FC, but maybe I just like to think of it as I'm just being friendly.
Friendly yorn.
Sige, fine. FC. Tama ka, FC. Feeling? Cute. Oh, tumawa ka doon.
Hindi. Bakit? Hindi nakakatawa ba?
Thanks for the corgi!
Oh! Hey guys! Sorry, I'm so into the show.
Oh, tikman mo na to.
Oh my
Ang
God!
daldal nung isa, no?
Ano problema ng isa? Oh my... Guys, may mas malala pa dyan na take.
Say, Grabe, this is such a fun scene to shoot.
Oh my...
Yes!
Grabe naman si Michael. Nakisali mag-drawing, no?
Titig yarn.
That's what we were talking about.
Thank you, guys.
So, you like cats?
Yeah.
So you like cats?
Very stoic. No maintenance, no drama, not clingy, and they know how to please their person.
Ilan ba pusa mo?
Wala.
Huh? You're a cat lover, tapos wala kang pusa kahit isa?
I'm allergic to cats. I get really itchy and gusto ko na bumalik.
Sobrang dikit naman.
You know, sometimes, yung mga bagay naman na gusto mo, hindi mo lang kukuha. Oh!
Oh! Oy!
Oh!
That was really deep, ah. Yung mga bagay na gusto mo, pero di mo nakukuha. Kagaya ng pusa.
Kagaya ng pusa. Ano yan? What's that? Sino yan? Ikaw ba yan? Ikaw yan.
Ito? Ako? Grabe ka naman. Nasaan yung abs? Yung dimples? Yung jawline, wala nga eh.
Oo nga.
Aso kasi ito. Yan na kaya. The dog. I love dogs. At home, we have 8. Originally 9 yan.
So pretty there.
September 9.
Wow!
Alam mo, ang lakas mong bola ni Michael, no?
Ayaw siya sa talaga po.
Guys, fun fact, si AZ nag-drawing nung pusa na
Hindi
yan.
talaga, guys. September?
Yeah. This is a cat. Repeat mo.
Yung mukhang pagod na drawing mo, dong mo namatay, September. Eh, mas kamukha mo pa yan kaysa sa akin, eh.
Ouch, ah. Siya loud. Hindi ko naman sinasabing kamukha mo yung aso. Wait lang. So, that means, hindi ka allergic sa aso, di ba? So, you're not allergic to me. Oh, nagsismile ka na naman.
Hindi.
Tumatawa ka na naman, no?
Hindi.
Oh, wait.
Totoo na yung smile mo dyan eh.
Smile?
Excuse you.
Ang cute!
You know, we've been talking for hours. Sketch pa tayo. Yet I still don't know.
Bakit mo kailangan mo lang?
Di na acting yan eh.
Hulaan ko na lang. Okay, sige, kung hulaan ko na lang. Amber. Mali. Jessica. Mali. Patricia. Mali. Michelle. Jonisha.
No.
Ano ba bang
No.
Ana?
Ayoko.
Mildred. You look like a Mildred. Parang
No.
kamukha mo si Mildred.
No.
Sure ka hindi ka Mildred?
No.
Oo.
Oo.
Diba?
Tatawa ka lang.
Oh. Bakit ako matatawa? Sabihin mo na.
Pag ikaw matawa. Nilok mo na, nilunok mo pa. Ngayon ko lang na-realize.
Aso ko? Like, September? Alam mo yung aso ko? Okay. I'm not laughing at your name, I swear. It's just, kapag... I mean, what are the odds? Like, what? Like, is this real? Pinaprank mo ba ako?
Oh.
Your name is September, like my dog. Serious mode. It's really nice meeting you, September. By the way, I'm yours. Oh,
Ang corny mo!
September, I'm asking. Pwede ba yours?
Ano ba?
Bakit?
What?
Bakit? Ba't tumatawa ka na naman?
Hindi ako tumatawa.
Ikaw talaga.
Totoo yun, guys! Asin! Inis ka. Roy,
Mas scary ka lang kasi. Ito naman si September. September? Ay!
Grabe! Oh my God!
That's so good!
Oh, I remember this
Madalas ka ba
one.
dito sa coffee shop?
Shucks!
Favorite mo yung corner spot, no?
Oh my God, it's giving K-drama. Madalas ako dito sa yung corner spot.
Sobrang natural lang daw, AZ. Kasi si AZ po, hindi na pa siya umaacting.
Siya yung hindi...
Talagaan ng tao at walang estorbo.
Ah, nung pumasok pa ako kanina, nasolve ba kita?
Ang dami mong tanong, no? Hindi ka ba napapagod magsalita?
Oh, I'm just saying. Like,
Do you like flowers?
flowers. You know, honestly, before, I didn't really like flowers. Simply because of my pangalan ko, Aster, named after flowers. Mga kapatid ko, may iba pa silang pangalan. Ako, Aster na. Pero, as time went by, I realized ko na, it's cool. I mean, sino ba ang kilala mo na Aster? Di ba ako lang Aster sa buhay mo?
Diba ako lang, Michael, sa buhay mo?
Sa case ka naman. Lagi ako.
Wow!
Ang unusual ba naman kasi ng name ng September? I mean, who would name their child September, di ba?
Oh, your parents!
Isa.
Parang lain na ni Michael yun eh.
Gets mo naman, di ba?
Parang that's Michael na. Hindi na yan si Aster.
It's been a long road. Unique kasi siya.
Grabe naman yung titig niya yan. Wow! Wow! Ang galing ni Michael!
Ano? Friends na tayo?
Pag-isipan ko muna.
Mga Koreana dito.
Hoy, we just met. Hindi ba pwedeng Magkakilala lang muna.
Ayaw mo maging friend.
Eto, MC ka na nga, buhay mo pa.
Oh, ganito na lang. Add mo ako. Ano, friends na tayo.
Ang natural daw ng acting. Guys,
Ayan.
again,
Happy?
hindi po uma-acting si AC dito.
I think Michael's talking about himself.
Friends na yan, ha? Hi, friend.
Okay, friend.
Thank you, friend.
Friend.
Oh, friend!
Friend.
Oh no. Ayan si Kuya G.
Si Kuya G.
Kuya G.
I have a question. Sunsets or sunrise?
Ako, I love sunset. Even though that saying goodbye means na tomorrow will still come. Promises that tomorrow will still come. Even if it fades, still there, waiting.
Hi guys, sorry. I'm very first time watching it eh.
No, there's just something comforting about endings that aren't really endings.
Ganda ng chords.
So, please, goodbye.
Kiss!
See you tomorrow.
Like the sunset.
Like the sunset.
Kinikilig ako.
Oh my God!
Wait lang. Sorry. Hey. Oh,
Galing mo
wait
dun.
lang. I'll call you back. Just give me a sec. Sige, baby girl.
Sino si baby
My
girl?
baby girl.
Sino si baby girl?
Hala.
Oh no.
Yay!
So, sino si baby girl?
Ah!
Oh my God, ang ganda!
Oh my God!
Ang ganda. Wait, let's see what's everyone saying. Can I take this off?
Yeah.
Ayan.
Oh my
What's
God,
everyone
guys!
saying?
It's done! Shucks!
Oh my God. Oh.
Sino si baby girl? Ang
Sino si
tanong
baby
ng
girl?
bayan.
Wala pa, i-check yung comments. Wala, tapos na yung comments.
Ayun, the live's done na.
Oh, how do we do this? Newest.
Ay,
Oh.
that's a different... What are you watching?
Oh my God, guys. This is crazy.
It's out na, guys. Please check out my YouTube channel.
Oh my God. Guys, what did you think? Okay ba?
How was it? Let us
Bitin
know.
daw! Bitin! May episode 2 ba?
Gusto nyo ba?
Gusto nyo ba?
See you guys on episode 2, please.
Next episode na daw agad. Asan po yung next? Oh, thank
it's
you,
out na. Thank you all.
Oh,
Oh, River watched it. Sabi niya, like the sunset.
Ayan, River message.
Thanks, Ribs.
Hey, Ribs, if ever you're here. Oh my gosh.
Thank you, Ribs. Kamusta?
Oh my
Kamusta? I want to know your guys'
Yes,
thoughts.
guys. Oh my God, let
Again,
us know.
it's my first ever project lang, and Ang daming mistakes, ang daming learnings, but I hope you guys enjoyed somehow.
Oh my God.
Wow, it's so cool pala to be on the other side of the table, to produce something like this, to go through the procedure of something like that. And umaratay man kami ni AZ doon, but we made sure to that we had lots of fun lang.
Yeah.
And as you can see, si AZ natural na natural yung acting.
Parang si Michael talaga yun.
Ulit-ulit ka na natural na natural. AZ, okay lang. You can admit it na.
I-reveal mo yung theme song.
Okay, and so here's the background story with this.
Yeah.
Yung short film ko, it's really, our short film is inspired by a song. And the song is Nahuhulog Na Sa'yo. And we just want to give a shout out to Noah Alejandre, because if it weren't for him, he honestly I wouldn't have had thought of a story like this. Siya yung naka-inspire sa amin to create the song. During the taping, it was really that song that was getting us fueled up and really excited.
Yeah.
Thank you, Aqua Rose! Grabe may pa-fireworks pa kayo. And we really wanted to use it for the short film, but unforeseen circumstances, hindi lang natuloy. So I just want to say thank you pa din kay Noah Alejandre and to that song for being such an inspiration to all of us. And to all the Mix Z supporters, this was for you guys.
Yes!
Sana nagustuhan niyo po to. Yung nabuo pong Mix Z was really our genuine friendship inside the house and outside the house. Tita Bing! Thank you, Tita Bing! Nanonood ka ba, Tita Bing?
Oh my God.
Kaya,
The whole time na nagtitape kami, we were just playing,
The whole time kinikilig lang si AZ. Yeah. Oh, sabi mo yeah. Joke lang. Baka sabi mo yabang ko ha.
Fine. Pagbigyan
Joke
natin
lang.
si
Ako
Michael.
yung kinikilig.
Pagbigyan
Guys,
natin si Michael kasi this is his
hindi.
first and
I
ever
think we can
Sager
all
Studios.
agree. We can all agree in this scene. Napakaganda ni AZ Martinez.
Stop.
Tingnan nyo naman.
Bola.
I-play nga natin. Pugs! AZ Martinez yan! Wow! Ang ganda!
Ang galing mong bola ni Michael, no?
Ang ganda-ganda. Ang
bola.
ganda mo! Thank you guys! Please continue to watch it. Hopefully, we can make more episodes. Hindi pa sana to yung huli namin.
For sure,
More
hindi
to
to yung
come.
huli. I'll make it happen, guys.
Yeah!
I'll pipilitin ko si Michael. Michael, there's no way you're ending it like that. Who is baby girl?
Who is baby girl?
Who
Yun
is
na nga.
baby girl?
Ano kaya? Sino yung baby girl? The chemistry is crazy. Sabi ni Sheena, 9240. We'll read your comments para
nga.
maaliw kami. Sabi ni Kuya Jepoy, grabe, wow as in wow. Iba rin ang tandem ng Mix Z. Nakakabitin. Next episode na please. Kaka-excite mga susunod na episodes. Congratulations, Michael and AZ. Kuya
Congrats,
Jepoy,
Mike!
thank you! Thank you so much. Sabi ni Fawi, what did she say?
Ang lala ng chemistry, we want more!
Fawi, malapit na yan. Sabi naman ni Lori, super cute yung together. Thank you, Lori. Yung titigan, hindi ko kaya. Alam mo yung titigan namin, there was this one scene na we were looking at like that with each
Yeah.
other. So medyo mahaba yung titigan.
Oo.
Si line na ni AZ. Alam mo ginawa ni AZ? Nag-smile lang siya, sabi ko, huy, AZ, line mo na. Nakalimutan niya mag-line. It was so funny. It was so cute. That's what I'm excited for din. Yung mga outtakes itong
May
short
BTS
film na to.
ba?
May BTS.
Oh my God, may BTS.
At yung nahulog siya sa upuan, that was not part of the original.
That wasn't part of the script, guys. I tried to
It
get
was
my
not
hand
part
back.
of the script.
Ginanon ako ni Mike.
Thank you to that. Sabi naman ni Hello Rella, this is definitely a must watch, a very nice treat for us, their fans. The chemistry was undeniable, plus the acting, line, cinematography, and set just worked well. Love that they're naturally funny at nakakilig dynamic.
Aww.
Would love to see the two of them more. Part 2, please. Thank you so much for giving us this, and congrats on this first special project of yours, Duo Michael and Pretty AZ. Ang husay niyo both. Manifesting more Sager Studio projects to come. Thank you!
Thank you!
Oh,
Grabe.
grabe, nakakatawa
Oh
yung
my
mga
God.
comments ninyo.
Yeah. Also, we wanna thank pala sila Luis.
Oh yes!
Sila Luis.
To our director, Luis Ruiz.
Yes, oh my God.
Luis bro, we did it.
Sobrang galing mo.
And gusto ko din i-special shoutout ang aking napakagaling na editor na talagang na-stress na kami kanina because we were really running out of time but we made it work. Sorry for the delay. Benj! BJ bro, you are so good. Ang ganda ng outcome. Palakpakan po natin si Benj. Si Luke Abadiano, ang
Yes.
ganda ng ilaw, ang ganda ng set, ang ganda ng cinematography. All thanks to Luke Abadiano. Thank you, bro! Papi! At palakpakan din po natin ang writer natin dito. I co-wrote the script with her, but of course, she made it even better. Si Ate Portia! Thank you, Ate Portia. At yung napakaganda nating poster is by Justin Besana and Jexy Art. Thank you, guys!
Ang ganda ng post.
At ang mga dalawang, at yung AD namin, si Miss Dia Alvaro. Ate Dia, direct! Thank you! Sa lahat po ng tumulong that day. And of course, ang napakaganda kong leading lady, AZ Martinez!
And of course, sa ating bida, producer, and everything else, Michael Sager. Ay, shoutout natin si Hernan, si
At
Kuya
si
Jay.
Hernan, si Kuya Jay.
Sa
Lahat ng mga extras.
talents and extras natin.
Si Hernan ang the reason why ang ganda ng hair and makeup. At yung
Yes.
sa iyo,
Sa akin si Mama Carissa, and
Mama
si
Carissa.
Mama Flo, of course, for the hair.
ang gagaling.
My
And
lovable glam team.
what's so amazing about this, it was a team that we just built together na hindi unexpected talaga yung mabubuo.
Actually.
And when we were all there na ganda yun ng teamwork, ganda ng chemistry naming lahat, and we produce something like this. And we hope to produce more. And also special thank you to Cornerstone! Thank you Cornerstone and to Sparkle!
And to
GMA
Sparkle
Arts
for
Center.
supporting our...
Yes, the GMA.
Yes.
Yes, thank you guys.
Grabe
Oh.
guys, as in...
More pa?
We were talking about this for a while already.
Yes.
It took us like more than almost 2 months to actually do it, diba?
Yes.
Kasi our schedules have been hectic.
September pa to pinag-uusapan.
Yeah.
This was really in September pa.
Oo.
But
We had
then,
lunch one day.
Oo.
Tapos biglang Michael wanted to do something. Like he said,
And then
let's do
na-delay siya
something.
ng na-delay
Oo.
until na-realize namin ni AZ na let's just do it.
Let's just do it.
And we filmed this a few months ago. Oh! And a special thank you to the reason why ang ganda ng set natin, Wild Heart
Wild Heart.
Cafe. Wild Heart Cafe, thank you. Sir David Duque, thank you so much for accommodating us.
Yeah.
Guys, make sure to check it out. Thank you, Wild Heart. Ang ganda ng flowers, sarap ng food, ang ganda ng coffee. So that's where it's located. Pwede
Yes.
kayo, baka, who knows, mag-opposites attract kayo sa Wild Heart Cafe, kaya pumunta na kayo.
Oo, punta na kayo kasi baka sa next episode, biglang nandun kami ulit.
Bitin naman, sino daw si baby girl?
Oo nga,
Lagot!
sino si baby girl?
At kasi may baby girl.
Baby girl! Please more. Next episode.
What is my reason for choosing AZ as a leading lady?
Ayusin.
Wala akong choice. Joke lang. No, I really had to think of something. I was brainstorming on who I wanted to work with. And si AZ kasi has a special place in my heart talaga. Alam niya naman yan. Wow!
Grabe naman yan.
And it's mostly because of her hard work and determination that I discovered as I got to know her inside the house. And that's something I've always been fond of. I've been supporting her ever since. And sabi ko, if she wanted to join me on my first project, it was really an experiment for me. I had no idea what the result will be until now. So parang I just wanted to see if she will trust me into joining in this project. And luckily, she said yes. And I'm so thankful pa rin for
Of
AZ.
course, Michael
Kasi
yan eh.
Iba talaga yung AZ. Binigyan niya ng oras. Ang mahal ng TF niya.
Uy!
Medyo...
Wala akong
medyo...
TF! Huwag kang ano!
Thanks for the gifts, guys.
This is all for the Mixie and of course for Michael, supporting him in his dreams and in his new additional path.
Thank you, AZ.
Additional hobby in his path na he's producing now. Sager Studios. Oh my God, ang ganda. You need to do a logo.
Mukha mo. Yung daliri mo! Yung daliri mo yung logo!
Guys, teka lang. Sa dami nangyari sa teaser, yung thumb ko talaga yung pinagsin niyo. Ang ganda ng location, ang ganda ng setup, ang ganda ng... Michael's face was there, pero thumb ko yung inano nyo.
Diba? And diba, we know it's all... Everybody knew it was AZ's thumb.
Guys, next time, let's do prosthetics.
First, may nag-comment it's giving Jericho Rosales and Christine Hermol. Christine Hermol sa'yo!
Stop it!
This is so cool.
Oh my God, it's so fun.
Grabe.
Thank you guys. Please keep watching kasi kami din papanoorin pa rin namin. I'm gonna watch it again when I get home.
That's what I was gonna say. I'm gonna watch this later rin. Nakakatuwa lang. I'm just so thankful that you guys are here supporting sa live stream. You supported ever since Friday. Natutuwa ako sa comments yung sabi nyo, Michael, pinag-intay mo kami, tapos yung pala, Sunday pa pala yung release. Well, anyways, today is the day. And more to come talaga. We hope to create more for you guys, and it's really a passion project, not just for me but for everyone. It's a way to showcase everyone's talents. And director namin, DOP, si Bench, Direct Dia, Ate Portia, even the poster makers sina Justin and Jexy, and even si AZ, we're all just aspirants to be great one day. And kumbaga, this is really our way of just showing you what we are dedicated to, and it's our craft. And we want to give back then because yung Mix Z supporters have been very, very supportive.
Oh my God,
Sa lahat ng
yes.
events ko, sa lahat ng events ni AZ, sa lahat ng events
They were
namin.
there sa Pangasinan
Last night. Grabe.
Yeah.
Thank you because of you guys, you really inspired us to make something like this, and thank you for the support always. We hope that we made you somewhat happy, and sana napangiti namin kayo ngayong gabi.
Yes, and of course, the greatest things, it wouldn't be happening if it wasn't for Michael. As in, his brain is crazy.
Paano yung titigan?
Michael's brain is crazy, guys. So, all glory and more more blessings to Michael. As in, this is
Glory.
all this is all him, and God. Oh my God, God bless you, Mike.
Thank
You're so
you,
good at
AZ.
everything.
Oh, so sweet.
Aw, give us more, please.
More pa ba?
Oh, sige, kailan next taping natin? Na-pressure na.
At ano din, parang our Christmas gift na to you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Sana
Yes.
masulan. Feliz! Grabe naming roses.
Oh my God.
Yung 500 roses. Feliz, thank you.
Thank you. Aw, thank you.
Grabe naman yan. Ang daming
Enjoyed
support.
it so much. Thank you, Michael. Yes! Make it trend, guys. Salamat, Michael! That's all because of him, guys. I did nothing. It's all him. I asked him, what can I do to help? He's like, no na!
Yes, just be there and act.
Yeah.
Kasi you're such a good actress. Yeah! Grabe yung mata acting ni
I'm
AZ.
still-
Kinikilig ako.
Still learning, guys. And it was a good experience to work with one of the next leading man
Sus!
of GMA!
Uy, nandito si Jers. Hi, Jers.
Hi, Ate Jers!
We kami with 1 million likes. Thank
Oh
you, guys.
my God, thank you!
Thank
Hi,
you,
Ate
thank
Jers!
you.
Nanood ka na ba, Ate Jers?
$31.9. Grabe, ang bilis!
Oh my God.
We're almost at
Woo!
32.
Let's make it 100K by this end of the week, guys.
Come on. Grabe, end of the week.
End of the week. Give it, Christmas gift. Oh my God, di ba every 100
Pag 100K may
subscribers-
plaque.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God, that's the goal.
Makikita niyo yan sa bahay ni Michael. He's gonna
And
make
that'll be, you'll unbox that with me if we get 100K. Ah! Guys, panoorin nyo na to, please. Kailangan ko bumawi. Parang may pamasko na ako.
Yeah, but guys, as in, I can see the stress Michael had. He's been doing everything, talking to them, to the editing, and then he's very hands-on. Last night, he slept so late kasi he's been like watching them talaga do everything, and then asking for revisions and just having his own inputs in every second na nasa video na yun. Kaya,
Titigan. Eh? Dapat ba? Live. Oh, see guys, hindi na yan acting.
BBS! Oh my God! What the? Ay,
Oh.
nagbasa lang ako ng comment. Sabi niya kasi.
Reveal lang reaction. Ran, panoorin mo na to, bro. Si River pinanood na niya, just
Yeah.
like the sunsets.
Like the sunset. Yes.
Sunsets yun.
Sunset's yorn. Aww.
It's so cute. BTS pics, yes! We'll be posting them
Soon.
on GMA. Thank you
Aw,
guys.
Thank you guys.
At si September pala, that's AZ.
Hey,
She's
guys.
named after my dog. Bark mo na, bark. Arf, arf.
This is my talent. I'm gonna do it.
Shih Tzu si September.
Oh my God.
Hope
Oh
to
my
work with you
gosh.
soon.
We hope that this
Yeah.
would be more.
Did you guys like it ba? Okay
Oh my
ba?
God, let me check.
Pasado ba sa inyo?
Saan ba pwede tumingin ng comment?
Super pasado. Sure ba?
Oh!
Please post this on your Instagram or whatever.
Tag us, guys.
Tag us and
Oh my
I
God,
will
we're
make sure to repost it. I
Oh my
appreciate
God,
it,
oh my God,
guys.
oh my God, oh my God. Wait. Oh.
Sa Twitter ka na.
Let's check what they're saying. That's what they like to, take clips.
Sige, go. Wait.
Where? Oh my God.
Ang ganda mo dyan. Grabe, as in, ang ganda mo. Oh, we're trending!
Wait.
Wow, 13,000 posts.
Wait, hindi naglo-load. Mixy.
Grabe!
Ayan. Oh my
Thank
God.
you for making us trend, guys.
Oh my God. Wow.
Ang ganda mo dyan. As in. Basahin mo yun.
Look.
Na parang wala sa script. Totoo,
Guys,
actually,
marami
most of the lines was really ad-lib from
Yeah.
my end, from her end, and then together, parang nag-aasaran lang talaga
Oo.
kami.
We were just playing around lang talaga sa taping. So fun. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda ng quality. Thank you!
You guys liked it? Okay ba?
Aww. Ang amats tonight ay Mixzy.
Oh, thank you guys.
Aww.
Thank you for nag-trend tayo, umabot pa sa news. We didn't expect it, honestly. As in, for fun lang talaga to for me. Growing up, I just really love storytelling and I really like video editing and stuff like that. So now that I'm an actor, I really wanted to try and mix those two worlds together. So really, a passion project lang of mine. And I appreciate all the kind comments. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, cute!
Oh, that's cute. Oh, what's that? Who is he? Huh? Guys, grabe. Alam mo, legit, may scene yun yung sinabi ni Michael na feeling cute. Bigla siyang gumanon. Natawa talaga ako. As in, hindi ko napigilan. Natawa talaga ako. Kasi biglang gumanon si Michael feeling cute.
Titigan. Ba't ayaw makipagtitig? Bakit nagsabay? Guys, sorry kanina umiyak ako kanina eh. Kaya medyo mapula yung mata ko. Movie po sana. Let's manifest it, who knows?
Praying for it.
Oh, sa mga gusto mag-co-prod. Kasi kailangan ko na
Oh my God, you're almost 32K.
Oh, nga, 32. Grabe.
How many views na?
4,000 na.
Oh my God!
In 39 minutes.
Almost
Grabe.
500 comments.
Wow, you guys are crazy. You guys, your support is
Wild.
really amazing. We're at
Oh my
1.3 million. Gawin naman natin 2 million. Grabe yung mata ko. Pakitaan natin si
Pagkat na
AZ.
yan si Michael, buong araw.
Guys, 6 a.m. kasi ako natulog kanina. Thank you, guys. Abangan nyo si AZ sa Hotel 88. Papakitaan niya siya. Ano yan? She's gonna show us her talents talaga. I'm so proud of her. Let's all give her a round of applause. Go, AZ! And then, of course, yung mga fellow housemates namin.
Yeah, kasama ko doon sa
Hotel 88.
Ralph!
Let's all watch, guys, next year. At
Yeah.
least, panoorin din sa akin Born to Shine next year. Kahit mag-isa lang ako na housemate.
No.
Joke lang.
But, abangan. Malapit na ako makapag-shooting.
Tita Bing, napanood niyo po ba? Pasada po ba yung kagandahan ng anak po ninyo? Tita Bing. Yes!
Yes, ayan.
Nag-reply si Tita. Ang cute. I hope you liked it, Tita.
Aw, thank you guys.
Congratulations. Thank you. Thanks for the roses.
Aw.
Grabe, 1.4 na.
Thank you! Oh, ang dami nila. 3.2.
Wow.
Grabe, thank you guys.
Asver Fanatics. Guys, ang galing gumiling ni River, no? Eh?
Diba? Diba?
Yung tulak. Saan tulak? Titigan. Eh?
You see this?
Stop!
You see this?
Baka ma-judo na ako. Sabi nila.
Oh!
Uy, 32,000 na! Thank you, guys!
Oh my God, 32 subscribers! Thank you guys! Subscribe pa kayo kay Michael. Please. And we're gonna make more. Ako talaga nag-promise mo. Pero account niya.
Thank you. Si AZ naman magpa-vlog next. In Korea. Wow.
Korea? Yung next episode namin sa Korea.
Oo, sige. Bigyan nyo kami ng budget.
Oh my gosh.
Comment guys on my YouTube video if you were to watch a part 2. If you have any suggestions, you guys want to see anybody in it, comment na kayo down below and baka, who knows, it'll be possible. So, we will see. Ayan, ang
Yeah.
favorite thumb ko. Sana.
Aw, thank you guys. And thank you, Mike. Aw,
Thank you guys.
smile of...
Stress. I think we'll have it now for our live stream for
Yes.
tonight. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching. Super late ako kanina, but I still appreciate na pinanood niyo pa rin po. If you haven't already, please watch it on my YouTube channel. Michael Sager lang on YouTube. It's called Opposites Almost Attract.
Yes,
Out
guys.
now. Thank you guys. We love you all.
I love you guys.
Thumbs up muna, easy. O, titigan na lang. Yeah. Bye-bye!
Good night, guys.
Good night. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Love you guys.